for this craft, you'll need your sheet of paper that says CD Clock Craft. You'll need your piece of cardstock and your disc, along with this cardboard piece of cardboard and this little bitty brad that is tucked on your cardboard. And then from home, crayons, scissors, glue. Those are the supplies from home. So first step is to either cut out all of these 12 numbers, the circles of them, or you can color them in first, which is what I'm going to do. Just number 12 blank. So I've got all my colors in except for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we have a minute hand and an hour hand. So if you want to color those in, I do recommend using 2 different colors for those. Okay, for the numbers, you don't really have to be careful. For this circle, you might want to get some help if you're having trouble cutting littler things, and then you'll need to cut out your hour and minute hand along with this base. So we have all of our numbers cut out. So we'll put those right there. The next thing we need to do is to cut 2 circles out of this circle right here. So we're going to cut around the circle very carefully so we get about the right size. And this is going to be the middle part of our clock. So we'll need 2 of these circles. So I'm going to take my cardboard and take my circle, and then also take a crayon, and I'm going to draw a circle around the template so I know where to cut on my cardboard. And then I'm going to move it over, and then I'm going to do another one. So I'll have 2 circles. 1, 2 circles. And we still have a couple more pieces to cut out here. Oh, the hands. I've got my minute hand and my hour hand. I'm gonna leave these here. And what else? We have a stand. So that's this part of it. So it looks like this. And then on these lines, there's 1, 2, 3. The middle line is where we're going to fold. And then these 2 lines is where we're going to cut. Just like that. So you should have just a notch cut in it. And then we'll get our cardboard. And you should have just enough left on your cardboard. Make sure we're going to take out our brad so we don't use our scissors on this metal brad, because that would be not great for our scissors. I'm going to set this all down. I'm going to get my crayon, and then I'm going to line up to this flat edge so I have less to cut. So when you have this lined up, you'll put this flat edge along that flat edge, and then we're going to trace around the outside curved part of the shape. Just down a little bit more, and then you'll put a line where we're going to cut and fold. So we're not going to cut that red part in the middle. We're only going to cut around the shape, and then 1 and 2 notches. So we've got our base with our notches cut in. We've got 2 cardboard circles. We've got 12 numbers, 2 clock hands, a CD, and our brad. So I'm going to put away my crayons, throw away all the little bits that I cut, but not all of them. I'm just going to set them on the side just in case I accidentally put something important in the pile. I'm not going to put them in the trash yet. I'm just going to clean up my space a little to get it a little bit more open. Okay, so our next step is to glue the numbers around our clock. We're going to put the number 12 on first. So 12 at the top, 6 at the bottom. Oof, mine's a little crooked, that's okay though. 12 at the top, 6 at the bottom, 3 on this side, and 9 on that side. Now we go on to our next step. So poke a hole through the second circle, or through the 2 circle cardboard pieces with the brad. So we have our circles and we have our brad, and we're going to try to find the middle part and you can just poke the brad right through there. So it's down the middle. It's a little hard to do with cardstock, so I'm gonna fold this down. I don't know if you can see this. So I'm gonna take the tippy circle end of this hand and I'm gonna fold it down, and then I'm gonna do just a very, 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 very tiny cut to help you put the brad through. So I'm gonna put the hour hand on first and the minute hand on second. So we have our brad. I'm gonna put this brad through the hour hand first, and then through the minute hand. And then I'm gonna put it through this first circle. Boop. And then I'm going to put this through the front part of the CD, through the CD hole, just like that. And then I'm gonna take this other circle and put it on top like a cap to secure everything in there. So it should look like this. One brad, two hands, one circle, one disc, another circle, and then brads work by opening up the two little legs that are on the back there, like that, and you push them down. And then you should have a clock. Neat. That's our clock craft.